before vlogging was a thing, people would people would either write diaries or tell others face to face about how they were feeling or how their days, how they were living this way. But now things have changed. Literally everybody is documenting their lives on social media and internet, through Twitter, tweets, Instagram pictures or vlogs like I'm doing right now. It has been pouring rain in Karachi for the past 2 days. It is Tuesday right now. Yes, it's Tuesday right now, and it has been raining non-stop from I think Sunday. It hasn't stopped for 1 second. It is still raining out there. Rain is very rare in Karachi, but when it starts raining, you better start running because when it rains in Karachi, like the city floods. But when it's not raining, the city is basically a desert. Not desert, Yesterday power also went out for about 10 hours. Yes, 10 hours. The whole day. It went out at 1 p.m. and was out for about 8 hours, and it was back at 8 p.m. Yesterday was a very non-productive day for me. I just sat at home, looked out of the window and just wished the rain would stop so I could do something. But I did go out yesterday morning to record some cinematics of the rainstorm that hit Karachi yesterday, because I think it was a little, I thought it was a little rainstorm, like it's gonna rain for a few hours and then yeah, the whole year is not gonna rain in Karachi. I was wrong. It started raining at about 6 a.m. in the morning, and it kept raining, it kept raining, and kept raining. I left home at 11 a.m. in my car to record some like cinematics, and I came home, it was still raining. I stayed at home, it kept raining the whole night. It is still raining right now. It stopped maybe at midnight. It did stop for a few hours, then it started raining the whole night. It was raining, it's still raining out there. It's horrible. And yeah, as I said, I recorded some cinematics, so there you go.